Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about Dogecoin. What's about to happen? I got a lot to cover here for you. Please stay till the end of the video because a lot here that I want to make sure that you know what's happening. This is quite simply, I'm going to give you a glimpse into what we're going to see play out for the remainder of April. Because what do we have going on? We have got the Bitcoin halving coming up, and I'm going to talk about the impact of that on Dogecoin, meme coins, all that kind of stuff. Hit that like button below, please, and hit that subscribe button. So what you're looking at on the screen here is trading view. This is a very good visual representation. Every single candle you see here is 6 hours worth of trading data. And this is the Dogecoin chart. And I want to show you on this momentum up. See this green momentum up box from there? That's 7 days. We're up 37+%. By the way, that was my trading indicator software that flagged that. To give you some perspective, it did it back here as well. Buy, sell, 84% up in 9 days. It flagged and caught those perfect moments to buy and to sell. So if you're interested, links in the description below, pick it up. There's a 30-day, no questions asked refund guarantee right there. So you got zero risk in this. And there's $1 a day is what it costs you with my discount code down there. By the way, the quarterly option is the best. So check it out. Look, 30 days, no questions asked. You have zero risk. Give it a shot. And what you do is you basically on this thank you page right here, let me show you this to you. There's videos here there you're going to load. There's like 8 videos. You can set up alerts to be sent to your mobile device. And all you do is it just says, you know, Dogecoin, what the alert would look like is Dogecoin buy on the 6-hour chart. It said go buy or sell. And then you go, oh, shit, I better go buy. All right, here we go. All right. So that's my software. Check it out. Links in the description below. Again, discount code 30-day, no questions asked. So let's talk about the fact that Dogecoin, what's about to happen. All right. So number one, we're under a buy scenario right here. Okay, we're looking good. By the way, I'll let you know if we get a sell, if we do get a sell, if the market continues to go down, because therein lies the real point of why I'm making the video. Obviously, to talk to you about what's about to happen. Look, here's what's happening. We know what we know that coming up on April 20th, we've got the Bitcoin halving, and there, if you go back and look at all the historical charts and all this for the previous Bitcoin cycles, we are now in what they call, not my words, the danger zone. Okay, that's where we're at. And all that really means is we got volatility. We're going to have chop. We're going to have good days, bad days, a lot of choppy, but we're probably really going to consolidate and not go up a lot and not go down a lot, but it's going to be a lot of chop, which means we're going to see some opportunities, we're going to see some risk and all that kind of stuff playing out. But then we're this danger zone historically is where we could see Bitcoin retrace maybe 20 to 30% before the actual halving event. Okay. And again, that impacts Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, it impacts all of meme coins out there. Okay. So my point to you is I'm saying if we kind of specifically dive into Dogecoin, which is up 22% on the 7-day, we could see some backside risk with Dogecoin, maybe 20, 30% if we do see Bitcoin fall back. Again, I'm making you aware of the fact that in the next 3 weeks, rolling into the Bitcoin halving event, that we're going to see these choppy, waters, whatever visual metaphor works for you, we're going to see this play out. Okay. So just be aware, know that's there and know that that's a thing. All right. And so that's what's about to happen. That's the Dogecoin news that I wanted to give to you. And quite frankly, there's a Dogecoin price prediction in that as well. And in the capacity that we could see maybe some 20%, downside risk. Now, let's flip that, right? Let's talk about a Dogecoin price prediction, kind of looking forward and what we could see happen is that, leading in, we could see maybe 20, 30% more upside here, where we could see Dogecoin maybe go up and hit 25 cents or so leading up to. The point is this, in this next 3 weeks, there's a lot of unknowns about to happen. We do know we're in this danger zone scenario, right? And we could see kind of a 20% upside, 20% downside. No one has a crystal ball. That's kind of what we're seeing and playing out, right? Okay, so I just wanted to make you aware of this. Okay, also, part of my job that I view my job is to make you aware of new tokens, new projects that are out there. This is one that I've invested in, and it's called Friends. And there's links below Friends token. And what they're doing is quite simply, they are a brand new launch. Let me show you the chart right here. So the chart is right there. Let me let it load. They're a $1.2 million market cap. By the way, links in the description below. This is their chart. Okay. So I have invested in this one, just FYI. This is not a sponsored video from them. I'm just letting you guys know because, you're my Dogecoin audience. So I want to let you know about new opportunities. What these guys are doing, number one, is an amazing team behind it. Okay. What they're doing is they have a 3% tax in and out. And so, but hear me out. 2% of that. So 1% of that tax goes to marketing and dev. 2% of that tax is going directly back to the community. And what they're doing is they have 4 community enrichment funds. The first one is a weekly, and yesterday on Friday they just gave away their first giveaway on that. And what they did was they gave away. Let me show you this real quickly. They gave away. Let me show you this. So they gave away probably more than that because the 2% adds up over the week. They gave that way. They held a Twitter Spaces and gave it away. There you go. They gave away a ton of money yesterday, and they're going to do that every single Friday. So you could win if you're a holder. You could win. They're doing it every month, and there's actually more than that now already in the monthly. So at the end of the month, they're going to give that away, actually, which is tomorrow. That's pretty cool because tomorrow's the end of the month. They have a shield to earn fund, and what they're doing is they've doxed their wallets. So on their Twitter post, which by the way, links in the description below to check them out. They're giving you the exact amounts that are in that, and then here's their wallets right there. So if you want to go check out their wallets, they are completely transparent. There's their wallet addresses. So I love that. Okay, so this is a great project, great team behind it. The one that I've invested in. I think this has got a significant opportunity. Right now it's pretty small, relatively market cap 1.2. So still early on. Chart looks really good, very stable. And again, not a lot of holders. I am definitely one myself. And I think that there's a massive opportunity again. And by the way, this is on the base chain, which the base chain is where a lot of new hot meme coins are going to start launching even more. So you have to get, base Ethereum over to your wallet. It's on the decentralized chain, things like that. And then you have to use Sushi Swap. It's easy. You can look up some YouTube videos on how to do it. I promise I did it. You can do it. And I, quite frankly, am not the most technical guy in the room. Okay. So check it out. Frenzy, links in the description below. Give them a look. Really great project. Great team behind it. And I think this one's going to go well. All right. See you.